Alright, so here we go, getting ready for Wedge Pond, on our way in to hopefully catch a couple waterfalls, Moonlight Falls, which sounds romantic, and Chastity Falls, I think it's called. Guys are getting ready behind me, so I'm not going to keep this very long because I think they're about ready and eager to go. So you're going to have to put up with this.
I didn't tell them, because I know they won't have a problem with it.
So here we are.
Yep. Here we are.
0.4, 2.4, and then we're
Are we going to do the oven
there.
thomas at all?
Yeah, we'll see what we can do.
Alright, here we go. We have behind us Michael and Kyle there on the left hand side, and also Mike, which you may have noticed from Whitehorse Falls when we did our bike ride. So that's my party for this adventurous little hike. As you may notice right now that the beginning of this is very, very flat ground, and that's because it's a bike path, more or less flat the entire way actually.
When you get around the
We never actually encountered much difficulty in this hike. It's pretty simple the whole way through until we actually met the washout.
This is kind of what happens when you experience a huge flood in the province. Recent spring floods from this year has caused a complete washout in this area. So what this used to be a nice clear path. Ooh. Now we're walking over branches and rocks and all kinds of stuff. The river's right ahead of me, and this is just washout from those damages. Alright, they're a bit ahead of me, but I had to stop and show you this gem. Check this out. You can see right here such power in that water that came through. It just destroyed the foundation of this bridge, which is actually, when the snow's clear, a pretty solid foundation. It's just a massive rush of all these wood and rocks coming through. Such a power. I'm walking like this on a slope. Nature has its ways, but it also makes very, very beautiful mountains behind me.
The thing that said someone else would go to the trailblazing, we did find the other path.
That could have been the other path, I don't know. We have to be approaching
That's why it's out so
these
high
sets of
and
waterfalls, which
stop.
may be washed out from the floods. So
Has to be.
we encountered someone else coming in through another trail. Don't think this is the Evan Thomas, but we'll come soon to find out. All in the creek right now.
Just that bank is closer now.